This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. In this video of today we will learn how to create our own design template. So for this purpose, first we need to know how it is done. Sometimes none of the existing design templates offers exactly what you're looking for. In this case, you have to either modify an existing template or create your own. To save a customized design template, we will follow the given steps. First, make your own design template by changing the background color, add a logo, a picture, change the slide color, whatever you want to add in your template. Then step number 2 is we will click at the Save File tab and we'll click at the Save As option. So first we will click create a new blank presentation like this, and we will type a little bit about, we'll type the topic, how to create your own design template. So we will type design template right over here. We'll give a different colors and font styles to this text, a different one like this one, and we'll change it color, and can give a different style to this as well. Like here we will select Arial black and I'll change the color to green, and then you can move it upward, a little bit upward. So this is our presentation. We are gonna present, and now we're gonna apply how to create our own design template. So this is what we are going to save as our own design template. So we will click at the File tab right from over here, and we will click at the Save As option. Now when we click on it, Save As option, then viewers, you can see that we can see a Save As dialog box. A Save As dialog box opens up. So in the Save As type here, this is the Save As type box. We'll click at the drop down arrow right from here, and we'll choose the PowerPoint template. So we will type PowerPoint template. From here you can see, viewers, this is the PowerPoint template. These templates will get automatically stored in templates group. So we'll select this one, and now we're going to type the name of the presentation. Now viewers, you can see that the path over here is the templates folder. So the presentation we are going to save over here, and for this presentation we will save it in the templates folder. So we will type my first presentation. This is the name of the presentation we are going to save in the template folder. So we will type my first presentation, and then we will click the Save button. So viewers, you will see the Save Design Template. It will be available in the My Templates option in the New Presentation pane after we press New. So we'll click at the Save button, and now if you want to see it, then we can go to the File tab right from here, and we will click at the New option this way, and then we will click at the My Templates, this. So here you can see that in the My Templates folder we can see the same presentation PowerPoint file which we have just saved a few minutes ago. So we will click on it at the OK button. So here you can see that the same presentation of PowerPoint can be accessed and can be opened up in from the My Template folder this way. So you can see that a new presentation dialog box opens, which contains all the saved design templates. So you can select any one of them from the design template we want to use, and we can click at the OK button. So I'm just going to repeat it again so that you can have a clear idea. First we will go to open up the presentation saved in the My Templates folder. We will click at the File tab. From here we will click at the New button, New option, and from here viewers, you can see that this is the templates and themes available in the home section. From here you can see that there are multiple options like Black Presentation, Recent Templates, Sample Template Themes, My Templates, New from Existing. So we are supposed to click this one, My Templates, and this is there's the only one presentation which we have just saved a few minutes ago. So we will click on it and we'll select it and we'll click at the OK button, and we can see the same presentation which we have saved a few minutes back. So that's all, and thanks for watching.